Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your LinkedIn headline for 2026 with optimized keywords. To update your LinkedIn headline for 2026, begin by logging into your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture in the top left corner. Once on your profile, locate the section displaying your current headline. Tap the pencil icon or the edit button near your headline. Your headline should clearly reflect your current role and aspirations. Identify keywords relevant to your industry or niche for optimization. Consider using tools like Google Keyword Planner or LinkedIn's search function to find trending keywords. Integrate these keywords naturally into your headline for improved visibility. Aim to convey your unique value proposition succinctly. Limit your headline to approximately 220 characters to ensure full display on all devices. Incorporate dynamic action words to enhance engagement and interest. If you have any certifications or accolades, mention them briefly to add credibility. Prioritize clarity over creativity. Potential connections should easily understand what you do. After making the desired changes, review your headline for any grammatical errors. Once satisfied, click Save to apply your new headline. Monitor the performance of your profile over time to assess any impacts from your updates. Be prepared to adjust your headline periodically as industry trends evolve. This proactive approach will help keep your profile fresh and relevant. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.